Sunday, 16th of October 2016, grasslands. The law of nature. Hail Dance Networking Industry Australia 0474 029597. Law of nature that we listen to is simply this. It's a law of nature. However much space you have, you simply fill it. Do you observe grasslands or the start of grasslands? Bare dirt? The most powerful law of nature is simply this. We all must obey the great law of change and nature. To create sustainability and stability can only be achieved by obeying nature and the changes that occur. Our network understands different environments require more or less, and that would be of something, e.g. carbon, moisture, water, nutrients, and so much more. Each location depends on that something. Take it away and you will be noticing change. The difference is change for the worse. Replace it or replenish it, you will notice change for the better. So create grassland sustainability through Hail Dance Networking Industry Australia. Contact us on our email or via the sales mobile and online. Why not give us a thumbs up on this video for grassland sustainability for farmers throughout the world, and help us help the world's grasslands by simply subscribing and sharing with your friends on social media.